The secret ingredient to transform your cooking routine. Picture this. You walk into the kitchen after a long day. Tired and hungry. You want to whip up something delicious. But you're lacking inspiration. Sound familiar? We've all been there. But what if I told you that there's a secret ingredient that can transform your cooking routine and take your dishes to a whole new level? Get ready to discover the game changer that will revolutionize your time in the kitchen. Introducing the versatile and magical ingredient. Herbs. Yes. Those humble green leaves that often sit in the back of your fridge or pantry. Herbs have the power to elevate any dish, adding flavor, aroma, and a touch of freshness that can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. From basil to thyme, parsley to rosemary, these little wonders are packed with incredible benefits. So, how can herbs revolutionize your cooking routine? Let's dive in. First and foremost, herbs bring a burst of flavor to your dishes. Whether you're cooking a simple pasta sauce or a gourmet meal, adding herbs can take your creation from bland to mouthwatering. The earthy notes of rosemary can infuse your roasted vegetables with a tantalizing aroma, while the fragrant basil can turn a basic tomato sauce into a culinary masterpiece. With the right combination of herbs, you can create a symphony of flavors that will have your taste buds dancing. Not only do herbs enhance the taste of your food, but they also provide a myriad of health benefits. Many herbs are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can boost your immune system and overall well-being. For example, parsley is rich in vitamin C, which can help strengthen your immune system and promote healthy digestion. Meanwhile, thyme contains compounds that have been shown to have antibacterial properties, making it a great addition to your cooking routine during cold and flu season. But herbs aren't just about flavor and health benefits. They also add a touch of visual appeal to your dishes. The vibrant green color of herbs can make any plate look more enticing and appetizing. Sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top of your tacos, and suddenly, they're Instagram-worthy. Garnish a creamy soup with a few sprigs of dill, and it becomes a work of art. Don't underestimate the power of presentation. It can make your meals feel more special and enjoyable. Now that you understand the wonders of herbs, it's time to incorporate them into your cooking routine. Start by experimenting with different herbs and flavors to find your favorites. You can grow your own herb garden at home or buy fresh herbs from the grocery store. If fresh herbs aren't available, dried herbs can still pack a punch and are a convenient pantry staple. Remember to add herbs towards the end of cooking to preserve their flavors and aromas. So, the next time you step into the kitchen, don't forget to reach for those herbs. Let their magic transform your cooking routine, turning mundane meals into culinary masterpieces. Get creative, explore new flavors, and let your taste buds embark on a journey of delight. Your cooking routine will never be the same again. Now it's your turn. Share your favorite herb-infused recipes or let us know how herbs have revolutionized your cooking routine. Join the conversation, and let's inspire each other to create delicious meals using the secret ingredient, herbs.